Hi friends, my name is Bharath Chandra. Today's video is India-Pakistan war, will Nifty fall to 20,000 mark? As per news reports, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh informed during an all-party meeting that Indian strikes under Operation Sindoor had eliminated at least 100 terrorists. After the meeting, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi reiterated the party's full support. The Indian government also said that Operation Sindoor is ongoing at the moment. Today afternoon, there was some blasts heard in Lahore. As a precautionary measure, Pakistan Railways has announced the cancellation of some trains between Karachi and Lahore. As per news reports, some major airports in Pakistan have been temporarily shut till 6 p.m. today. Pakistan had paused trading in its stock market today after its main index KSE 30 crashed by 6.3%. The other index KSE 100 fell by 5.9% today. Both these indices had fallen by 3% yesterday. So Pakistan stock markets are facing significant losses due to Operation Sindoor. Nifty was down by only 0.6%. However, considering the relationship between India and Pakistan currently, there could be some weakness if the two countries continue in the same way. Some analysts are expecting the worst and are predicting 22,000 or even 20,000 level for Nifty. So how likely is Nifty reaching 20,000 level? Currently, Nifty is near 24,300 mark. If it has to fall to 20,000, then it has to fall 18%. This is quite a high percentage, especially considering that Indian markets have been trading weak since the last 8 months. Although Nifty had fallen from a high of 26,200 to 22,000, it has somehow managed to stay above the 22,000 mark. India VIX, which is volatility index and also called fear index, went up by 10% today. It is now around 21. On Monday, it was at 18. So in this week itself, in just 4 days, it has gone up by almost 17%. If there is further escalation of the situation, it could rise higher due to increased fear of stock market crash. Although we cannot rule out anything in stock markets, it is less likely to reach 20,000 mark. Even 22,000 level requires a fall of 10% from current levels, which is also not very likely. In the previous such situations, when there was increased tension between India and Pakistan, markets had reacted negatively for a short period and then recovered. So do not panic if you are a long-term investor and do not change your approach in the current circumstances. Usually, many investors do the following. They pause or stop their SIP, SEP during such times, or they panic and sell holdings hoping to reinvest at a later date at a lower price. In a long-term investment journey, there will be many reasons to stop investing. It could be war, recession, global uncertainty, political instability, etc. The investors who maintain their investment approach and who stay disciplined become winners, and the investors who are not mentally strong get unsatisfactory results from the market. This is why a small percentage of investors create huge wealth in the long term. It is said that 20% of the investors create 80% of the wealth and 80% of the investors create only 20% of the wealth. Managing emotions and other behavioral factors are probably more important for success than the technical factors of stock markets. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section how will you feel if Nifty falls to 22,000 level or lower in the coming weeks. Type one word or one sentence in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.